For today's makeup, I'm going to use a little liquid foundation. I'm doing a dark brown smoky eye look with kind of a neutral latte makeup. Use a lip balm or a lip plumper of your choice. My contact lenses are Pure Hazel by Fresh Look. Definitely use a moisturizer before makeup. If you want the makeup to stay really long, use a primer. I don't prime very often because it shuts the pores. Use a liquid foundation of your choice, but keep it less and light so that you don't have too many layers and lines and your face doesn't look cakey. Blend it out well. Then use your concealer. These are usually the parts where I use my concealer. If you have spots where it requires more, please go for it. Once again, blend it out well. I set my eyebrows with a gel so that it stays in place. Mattify the top of your eyes with a powder so that your eyeshadow glides on well. Now take any dark brown eyeshadow and dab it onto the top of your upper eyelid. Now take it up till your crease line. If you have hooded eyes, then go further up. Take little product every time and then let it grow. Don't take too much product in one go and make sure you always tap off the extra product from your brush. Use the shade many times, but take little every time and dab it on. That is a very important point. Now take a lighter brown eyeshadow, like a light brown or a transition shade, and use a crease brush and blend out the crease line. This will not leave you with any harsh lines. Take your time and blend it out with patience. This is what will leave your dark brown eyeshadow without any harsh lines. Now take a fluffy, clean eyeshadow brush which has no product on it and keep blending the crease further. Now go back in with the dark brown eyeshadow and touch it up on your upper eyelid. Once again, using the same eyeshadow, apply it on your lower outer lash line. Use a nude kohl or a nude kajal on your lower waterline. Take any highlighter of your choice and apply it on the outer part of your brow bone. Now complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. A mascara is way more practical than false eyelashes. A lot of people are scared of the removal. So just take some baby oil and baby wipes and it'll all come off easily. I prefer using a powder based contour because it looks lighter and it gives you a much more soft look. Flatten the same brush and use the product on the two sides of your nose, and that's good enough. I always fill out and line my lips with a nude lip liner. This makes my lipstick stay longer. Then define your lips with a lip liner that will go with your lipstick. Just dab it a little and blend it out. Use a nude or a brown lipstick of your choice. That's going to give you a nice neutral look. Use a mild blush. This will complete the look and your face won't look flat. I use my personal makeup collection. Pick any brands of your choice. Just follow the technique and your life will be easy. I do not bake my face, it makes it look dry. So I just take my dry foundation or just take your compact and touch it up wherever required. I love completing my makeup with a good highlighter. It adds a beautiful texture to the skin and adds a lot of glam. My makeup is done and I'm going to just use a spray and set it. I'll see you soon with some easy, doable and practical makeup looks. Till then, take care and stay glam.